Got a slow or completely clogged sink? No need to panic or call a plumber just yet. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to unclog a drain using simple, effective methods you can do at home. Step 1. Boiling water. Boil a full kettle of water and carefully pour it down the drain in 2 to 3 stages. This can melt grease and loosen soap scum that may be causing the clog. Step 2. Baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda into the drain. Then, follow it with half a cup of white vinegar. Let the fizzy reaction sit for 15 to 20 minutes. This combo can break down gunk and help clear minor blockages. Still clogged? Time for the plunger. Make sure there's some water in the sink to help create suction. Place the plunger over the drain and pump up and down for about 20 to 30 seconds. You might hear a gurgle. That's a good sign. If none of that works, it's time to check the P-trap. That's the curved pipe under your sink. Place a bucket underneath, unscrew the trap, and clear out any trapped debris. Be sure to retighten it securely before running water again. And just like that, your sink should be draining smoothly again. If it's still backed up, it might be a deeper issue, and that's when it's smart to call a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy DIY fixes.